Let's dive into installing IPTV on Kodi, a simple guide for an unlimited entertainment journey. First, open your Kodi interface and ensure that it is up to date for optimal performance. Once inside Kodi, head straight to the settings icon to make a few necessary adjustments beforehand. You will now see several different options. Select System to access the Essential Settings menu. In the System menu, locate and enable unknown sources. This allows installing third-party add-ons safely. Next, return to the main settings page. Select File Manager to begin the IPTV installation process. Add a new source by selecting Add Source and prepare to enter the IPTV repository URL. When prompted, enter the URL of your chosen IPTV repository and click OK to confirm. Name the media source appropriately for easy identification in future use. Then confirm again. Return to the Kodi home screen and scroll down to the Add-ons section for installation. Open the Add-ons menu and select the Install from Zip File option to proceed further. Locate the media source you just added from the list and initiate the installation process. Once installed, navigate to Install from Repository and choose your added IPTV repository name. Select Video Add-ons from the repository and find the IPTV add-on to install on Kodi. As the installation completes, open the IPTV add-on to start adding and enjoying channels. Congratulations! You've unlocked IPTV on Kodi. For the best services, try 2tv.store.